Hello, my minions. So, this is problem number 2 on Test Prep CA6 Part 2. Once again, this is problem number 2. And what it says is draw a model representing 2 divided by 1/6. I'm going to pull up the problem for you. And there we go. So, what this problem is it wants you to try and figure out how do you draw a model that represents this expression, 2 divided by 1/6. And by drawing a model, you should be able to find the answer as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off with 2 holes. So I'm going to make 2 holes here. Now do me a favor and pretend that those are the same size. I know that's not exactly the case, but work with me here. So what we have now is we have 2 holes. Now each of these holes are going to be divided into 1/6 parts. And the question that we're asking is this. How many groups of 1/6 are in 2? How many groups of this 1/6 here are in 2? That's what happens whenever we do division. To think of it a different way, if we want to do a simpler problem here, if we were doing 6 divided by 2, we'd be asking how many groups of 2 are in 6? And the answer is there's 3 groups of 2 in 6. And I can show you that with 6 whole numbers here. And how many groups of 2? Well, here's one group of 2, another group of 2, and another group of 2, for a total of 3 groups of 2 are in 6. So that's basically what we're doing, but now we're doing it with fractions here. So what I'm going to do is let me just erase some of that here. All right. And we're going to answer the question, how many groups of 1/6 are in 2? Well, one of the ways that we can do that is by using a model. And what we're going to do with this model is I'm going to take and I'm going to split this up into 6 parts. Now, once again, unfortunately, I do not have this wonderful gift of making things perfect on this screen, but just pretend that these are 6 equal parts. So now what I have is this one hole here has been split up into 1/6 here, 1/6 here, and so on and so forth. And this one, this other one hole, has also been split up into 1/6 parts. So the question is, how many total 1/6 parts are in there, or how many groups of 1/6 are in 2? And the way we do that is simply by counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So what we have is we have a total of 12 groups of 1/6 are in 2. Or to put it a different way, 2 divided by 1/6 is 12. And that is the model that you're looking at. You have both holes here divided into parts that are 1/6. And you're asking how many 1/6 fit into the 2 holes. So this right here would be a model representing that. So this is your final answer. And the answer that you're going to get in total is 12. So if you wanted to write the final equation, it'd be 2 divided by 1/6, that's a 6, is equal to 12. I hope that's helped. Look forward to seeing you on the next problem.